Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable quick access in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to search for File Explorer options. Here you can see the option appear. To disable quick access in laptop, you just have to turn off this button. Click on clear, then apply and OK. That's it. So this is how you can disable quick access in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.